Hi guys, I'm Dacey and I'm super excited to be partnering with Revlon today to introduce the brand new Color Charge collection. This is a limited one-time only collection which is all about self-expression, creativity, and experimenting with new colors. Today, I'll be concentrating on the eye collection, and in another video, I'll be showing you guys all the lip products and highlighters. The Color Charge collection has a wide range of new products, including bold eyeshadows, vibrant lip colors, iridescent highlighters, and metallic nails. Plus, new exciting formulas like loose pigments and lip powders. The Color Charge collection has the perfect products to create bold, transformative looks, just like this jewel tone Sapphire Smoky Eye I'll be showing you guys today. Bright shadow, layered looks, and metallic liner are big trends in eye makeup right now, so let me show you guys the Color Charge collection. This is the Revlon Color Charge eyeshadow palette. It features 10 beautiful, bold, and vibrant eyeshadows. And it's gonna be a really fun way for you guys to step outside of your comfort zone and try something new. This is a long-wearing formula, and these eyeshadows blend really smoothly. I also really like how the palette comes with a brush applicator instead of a sponge because you have a lot more control over how you apply the product. On one side, you have a little bit more of a flat applicator, which is great for packing color onto the lid. And then on the opposite side, you have a little bit more of a fluffy end that's great for blending out the shadows. Next, we have the Revlon Color Charge Loose Pigments. There are 5 versatile shades in this collection. I'm really excited about these pigments because they're such a unique product. They can be worn on their own as a beautiful iridescent eyeshadow or layered on top of an eyeshadow, and they create a gorgeous multi-dimensional effect. To show you guys just how transformative these pigments are, I'm gonna swatch a pigment on its own, and right next to it, I'll swatch a shadow. And next I'll swatch the two together. I put Lilac Twinkle right on top of the teal shade from the Color Charge eye palette, and you can really see the difference. And last we have the Revlon Color Charge ColorStay Skinny Liquid Liners. These come in 4 brand new metallic shades that are beautiful and super wearable. I personally love the classic skinny liner, so I was super excited to see these in the collection. First, we have Navy Stroke, which is a beautiful shimmering navy. Next, we have Bronze Stroke, which is a beautiful shimmering bronze. I'm actually wearing this one on my eyes today. Then we have Platinum Stroke, which is a platinum silver. It almost looks like a chrome eyeliner. And last, we have Amethyst Stroke, which is a beautiful shimmering eggplant purple. And you guys can see just how beautiful the metallic shine is on these liquid liners. I'm so excited to add them to my collection. Now that you guys have seen what the Color Charge eye collection has to offer, let's move into this eye makeup tutorial. I've already prepped my eyes with the Revlon ColorStay eyeshadow primer, so moving into eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Revlon Color Charge eyeshadow palette. For my jewel toned Sapphire Smoky Eye, I'm going to be using primarily this Sapphire blue shade right here, a little bit of the brown shadow, and some of the beige shadow as well. So I'm actually going to be mixing a little bit of the beige shadow with some of the brown just to create a soft transition shade. And I'm going to apply this right into the crease of the eye. Next, using the flat side of the dual-ended brush, I'm going to be picking up the Sapphire blue shade. And I'm going to apply this all over my eyelids. As you guys can see, these colors are super pigmented and you get such great color payoff. I'm also going to be taking the blue shadow and applying that to my lower lash line. Now I'm going to be taking the new Revlon Color Charge Loose Pigment and Holographic and applying this right on the center of the eyelid on top of the eyeshadow to create a beautiful halo eye. I really like this particular shade of the powder pigments because this one puts a beautiful pinkish purple iridescent over your eyeshadows. I really like the way this pigment applies so easily. And you can see how well this layers over the shadow. And as I mentioned earlier, these pigments can also be worn on their own. And now you guys can really see how adding just the one pigment really transforms the color. And while I'm at it, I'm just gonna apply some to my cheekbones too. See how pretty that is? Moving on to eyeliner, I'm going to be using the new Revlon ColorStay Skinny Liquid Liner in the shade Bronze Stroke. This is a gorgeous metallic shade that really pops nicely against the blue eyeshadow. I'm gonna start right at the inner corner of my eye and just work my way out. This has a really thin tip, which helps you get a precise line, which is great for metallics because you can deliver just a subtle hint of shimmer. To finish off this eye look, I'm going to be applying mascara, and I'm using Revlon's Super Length Mascara in Blackest Black, which delivers extreme length to your lashes. The tapered brush really helps get to the smallest lashes. And there you go, a beautiful jewel-toned smoky eye with the perfect amount of shimmer. Creativity and self-expression is what the Color Charge collection is all about. I definitely encourage you guys to customize this look however you like it because there are so many different colors in the Color Charge line to create your own looks. Alright, that's all for now. For more information on the Revlon Color Charge collection, please go to Revlon.com. Don't forget, this is a one-time only collection available at Walgreens and CVS for a limited time, so don't miss out. I'm Dacey, and this has been a Revlon guide to the Color Charge eye collection. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to Revlon's YouTube channel to stay updated with more makeup tutorials. And stay tuned for my next video, which is going to be all about the Color Charge lip collection. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!